Hello everyone, how are you? Today we have such a board and we learn about animal name. Oh no, where goes all my wild animal? Can you help me to put them on the board? Okay, so let's start. Oh great, we have a 3 cup. Let's check one by one. Under this orange cup, no, not find any animal. Let's see under yellow green. Oh, again no. Under blue cup, yes, great. We got a bear. It's a bear. Bear is known as his eating habit. So let's put in bear. Bear. The first letter of bear is B. Can you say B? Okay. So let's put in bear right here. Now we have a shape board. Let's find here next animal. Wow, too many colorful shapes. Oh great, we got here our next wild animal. It's a panda. It's a panda. The small fact about the panda is its different eyes. So let's put in panda. First letter of panda is P. It's a P. So let's put in panda right here. Now we have a small white ball. Wow, it's so nice, guys. Wow, guys. Here we got our next animal. It's a lion. It's a lion. Lion is known as king of the jungle. So the first letter of lion is L. So let's put in lion right here. Well done, good job. Wow, we have a bowl of vegetables. It's a onion, capsicum, corn. It also corn, pumpkin, red chili. Oh great, we got our next wild animal. It's a elephant. It's a elephant. Elephant has long trunk. He drink water with that. It is a nose also. Elephant. We can say that it's a nose and big ear. First letter of elephant is E. And let's put in elephant right here. Wow guys, it's a beautiful yellow color. Giraffe. Oh great, something left behind. It's another giraffe. It's a giraffe. Giraffe has dark spot and long neck. With the help of this long neck, he eats leaves and tree. So where we should put? Here? Uh-oh, here. No. First letter of giraffe is G. So let's put in giraffe. Look at this. It's a very beautiful red color house. So nice. First ring the bell. Ding dong. And open the door. Something inside. Let's check it. We found another animal. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Tiger is a great climber. It's very clever animal. So let's put in tiger here. Yes. First letter of tiger is T. Wow, many colorful slimes are here. Let's open first green. Oh, not find any animal. Let's open first. Let's open purple. Wow guys, so nice, but not find any animal. Let's open pink one. Oh, again no. Let's open red one. Oh, great. We got zebra from here. It's a zebra. Zebra is famous for his stripe. Its black stripe is different from other animal. G is the first letter of zebra. So let's put in zebra right here. Wow guys, we have a magical spring. Wow, it's so nice. So much fun. Oh, something inside. Let's check. What is this? It is our next animal, hippopotamus. Hippo knows it differs from other animals. First letter of hippopotamus is H. Let's put in right here. Good job. Wow, we have a surprising egg in blue color. Let's open. Oh, it has another surprising egg in green color. Let's open. Oh, really nice. It's so surprising. Let's open orange surprising egg. Something inside. Let's see. It's a rhino. One small fact about the rhino is its thick skin and long horn. So let's put in. First letter of rhino is R. Let's put in rhino here. Good job. Wow, many alphabets are here. It's a N, W, F, C. Oh, great. We got our next animal. It's a crocodile. It's a crocodile. Crocodile is famous for sharp teeth and jaw. First letter of crocodile is C. Let's put in crocodile is right here. Hey, congratulations, we did it. Our board is complete. One more time. It's a bear, panda, lion, elephant, giraffe, tiger, hippopotamus, zebra, rhino and crocodile. Now we have some puzzle pieces. Let's join them and make a shape. Here is wheel. Please tell me what is this? It's a scooter. Please tell me what is this? It's a car. Now assemble next one. It's a delivery van. Let's assemble another pieces. It's a school bus. Yes, we make it. It's an aeroplane. Yes, we make it. It's a ship. Scooter, car, delivery van, school bus, aeroplane and ship. Hey guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Meet you soon in next video.